Welcome to Farmhouse Bliss, a place where contemporary living and rustic beauty coexist. Prepare to turn your room into a lovely, warm haven. It's Farmhouse Bliss. Come learn easy and inventive ways to infuse your living areas with rustic charm and coziness. An outside view of a lovely farmhouse enters a world where contemporary comfort and rustic beauty coexist. Construct an incredibly lifelike image of a welcoming farmhouse kitchen outside that is intended to delight and inspire. A rustic farmhouse kitchen isn't just a design, it's a feeling. The warmth of natural wood, the coziness of a lived-in space, and the charm of vintage accents draw you in like a gentle embrace. Today you'll step into a farmhouse kitchen where every corner tells a story, and every detail is crafted to create a space that feels like home. Rustic kitchen countertop, featuring herbs and fresh produce, serene and inviting, showcasing cooking essentials and houseplants, calm and organized atmosphere. In any farmhouse kitchen, the kitchen island serves as a focal point where people congregate to share stories and prepare meals with affection. Here, it all comes down to combining design and functionality. Rustic kitchen scene featuring wooden cooking utensils and fresh herbs in a wire basket, resting on a wooden countertop against a white tiled backsplash. With open shelving and cabinets made to hold necessities while adding charm, rustic farmhouse cabinetry evokes a feeling of tradition. With its natural wood tones and straightforward, practical designs, the cabinetry frequently tells its own tale. Farmhouse kitchens benefit greatly from the character that vintage appliances bring, even while modern convenience is essential. These components create a focal point in the kitchen by fusing vintage appeal with modern practicality. A well-organized pantry is an essential part of any farmhouse kitchen, blending practical storage with rustic charm. Small decor items make a big difference in setting the farmhouse kitchen's cozy, inviting atmosphere. From hanging plants to vintage canisters, these touches bring character to the space. A cozy tour of a rustic farmhouse kitchen, where every piece is handpicked and every element brings warmth and personality. Join the Farmhouse Bliss family. Subscribe and let's create more charming, cozy spaces together.